Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones JBL TUNE 770 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Now, at the right side, we have the button disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but leave them at the device list to reconnect them in the future, you need to select disconnect. But if you want to totally remove your headphones from your phone, you need to select forget button on the left side. You may have forget device button or unpair button or maybe remove button. But let's disconnect them. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but still have them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them. But your phones, your headphones should be turned on and do not connect it with another device, because if it already connected, you may have problem with reconnect them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.